it's Greg from Nexus Property Management. We're here at Nexus's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and we're going to talk about one of my favorite things. It's locks and keys. Yes, it's terrible to think about how many keys you probably have in a checkbook box in the bottom drawer at your home office. We all have keys to deal with. Keys are definitely a pain in the butt, but no pun intended. What I can tell you is that we've come up with a system that is very efficient and cost effective. And what it is the Smartkey technology. It's made by the brand Kwikset. Now every unit that I own, when a tenant vacates, I put in one of these Smartkey Kwiksets. And what they are high quality locks. They're about $40 for the deadbolt and the handle. But the secret is, once a tenant vacates, you can rekey that lock to a different key, to any old key that you have around. Maybe it's to grandma's house, maybe it's to your shed, maybe you found it in your drawer and you don't know where it goes. Whatever key it is, you can put it in the Smartkey. It comes with a tool, you learn it to the new key, and boom, you just changed the lock and you didn't even have to get a screwdriver. Simple. A lot of owners, they buy the cheap gatehouse keys, the ones at Job Lot, the last one at Home Depot for $8. It's not a good idea because they're cheap, they're flimsy, and ultimately one day you're going to have to change them. Spend time. You're going to eat away at the frame. You got to change the strike plate because it's different. You don't want to do that. Spend the extra 20 bucks, invest in the smart keys. It's very simple. And also, a lot of owners will put touch pads now. They have touch pads on exterior doors and even apartment doors. Truthfully, I'm not a huge fan of those because the battery dies so frequently. And if you have a 6-unit apartment building, the battery is going to be used constantly. Somebody's always coming in. Somebody's always leaving. So you want to consider that. The batteries go often, but you eliminate the need for keys. And it's more professional, and there's also a log of each time the door was opened. So for what that's worth, you may like that. So my point is, today's message, don't buy the cheap keys, cheap lock sets. It's not worth it. Invest in the Smartkey or get the touchpad. And once again, this is Gregory from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.